Hey, the next company I'm gonna be featuring is gonna be Drabek and Hill. And what I love about this is the community involvement. These guys are very active in their local community. Sorry, I almost broke my brain there for a second. How active they are in their local community. They're part of something called Oklahoma City Rebuilding Together, and doing cool stuff like construction derby. I think it's such a cool thing to look at community initiatives in a way that, like, hey, this is an industry full of really great craftsmen. So why not showcase that in the community, right? And I participated in one of these as a kid, and it just has a lasting impact. Here I am years and years later, and I can still remember the people that were a part of doing this with me back where I'm from. And so that's just a cool way. And then the other part of their brand is really cool is play into your brand. They got this fun penguin, and instead of just doing an offer here, offer there, they take to it in a really fun, creative way. This is a great way to engage. So again, I think Drabek and Hill is doing a wonderful job both being involved in the community as well as creating digital assets that are fun and engaging. So, hey, if you got any other companies you'd like me to shout out or feature, I'd love to hear them. Shoot me a DM, leave a comment. I'm having a lot of fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this content because there's a lot of great companies doing a lot of great work out there. So I want to devote my channel to just kind of shouting those guys out. Hope you have a wonderful day.